Sorry, puppy.
Sorry, puppy. Like 30 should be good, right?
Yeah.
What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Tube,
Zoop,
tube,
zoop,
tube,
zoop, zoop.
tube. Imagine.
Hello, everybody. My name is Puppy.
Hello, everybody. My name is the puppy. Okay, I have the tutorials on and everything.
I'm so excited. Oh,
Do you want to voice this?
hey, girl. It's Nat. Find a little babysitting gig for you that says soup, that pays super well, and it's easy money. I swear I'll call you in a bit to give you her number.
What the hell? Did you see that? Is this
What is
crazy?
that?
Oh my god, I can move.
But you didn't even read the
I
tutorial.
didn't. I didn't. Fuck. Go back. Go back.
The baby photo.
Press S or double tap to look out the window behind you. Aw, hell no.
Uh, uh,
Spacebar to check the.
New message.
I have a
ah!
message. Courier chat. Hi, good afternoon. You must be Claire. Thanks again for taking the babysitting job. I really appreciate it. The key's under the doormat. The address is 443 Roy Allen Street, at the very end. It's a pretty quiet street, so don't worry if it feels a bit empty. Claire says, Hi, thank you so much. I'm really glad to help. I'll be there on time. No worries. Leah Addison says, Thanks. I'll send you a quick voice message with some details. I just heard a bark. We're gonna fucking die.
No, press the voice message.
Oh.
Hi, Claire. I just got to the airport now. Finally. I'll be away for 6 days. Everything should be fine. My baby's already fed and asleep, so you don't need to worry about that tonight. Oh, and I really care about the safety of my family, so I've got a camera system around the house. Nothing fancy,
I'm
just
so
for
scared.
peace of mind.
I'm scared. I heard
You
the
can
puppy.
check everything from the old laptop in the living room. The battery's busted though, so keep it plugged in, okay? And no worry about the riblet.
Okay, I
My
don't care
little
about what she said.
sweetheart. He's in his room, he's fine there. You don't need to feed him or give him company, he's used to it. Thanks, Claire. Talk again soon.
Where's the puppy?
I'm so fucking scared. How do I...
Uh,
I'm so fucking scared.
the PNG of the baby.
Oh. I don't have to worry about feeding the baby, right?
I don't think not yet. It's already 2 a.m. This is easy as fuck. Wait, is the baby in the crib?
Yeah.
Okay,
Dude, I
thank
hear
God.
the dog. I'm scared. What am I... How do I protect myself?
You gotta put the dog down.
I have to euthanize the dog. That's just where I'm at. That was... Do you hear him too?
A little bit. Look behind you.
The
Oh, you can go over
power
here.
can go...
That's not right.
Um...
Ew.
I don't... Tuna, I'm scared. Oh my god.
I'm going to
Where
lose.
is he? I have to put the dog in the oven.
I think so.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
you have to freaking cook the freaking baby milk.
I know. What temperature do you cook baby milk at? That's
Okay, I think it's good.
There we go.
Can you take the pot and put it?
No, I can't. What the fuck was that? Where's the dog?
Look behind you.
I did. No, I don't see him. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
I'm scared. gonna get me, man.
Like, go to the power thing. Then look around.
The door's
Did
not
you go in
opening.
there?
No, the door's not opening. There it is. I can't go in there.
Oh. What the fuck?
What did I do? What did I do?
I think they all have to be up.
Oh, there we go. Jesus. I'm so scared. The puppies. So am I supposed to feed this baby? I thought she said not to worry about that because she already fed her.
Oh, then maybe.
Oh my god!
Oh! What the fuck?
I got so scared. Oh, I forgot to check the cameras. Okay, maybe we should actually listen to what she says. Oh, that was so scary. Okay, you can click on that. Okay.
New message.
New
Can you
message.
click on the baby?
Let's do this first. Blah, blah, blah,
Hi, Claire. I just got to the airport now. Finally. I'll be away for 6 days. Everything should be fine. My baby's already fed and asleep, so you don't need to worry about that tonight. Oh, and I really care about the safety of my family, so I've got a camera system around the house. Nothing fancy, just for peace of mind. You can check everything from the old laptop in the living room. The battery's busted though, so keep it plugged in, okay? And no worry about the riblets. My little sweetheart, he's in his room, he's fine there. You don't need to feed him or give him company, he's used to it. Thanks, Claire. Talk again soon.
blah. Okay, so she's already done. Okay. Okay, let's look at the cameras.
Yeah.
I don't think there's anything we can do with the cameras though. Is that the puppy sleeping right there, or am I
I think so.
little puppy? Yeah, what do I do against that guy?
Maybe it was because that door opened. Low key.
Oh, so let's keep it close. I don't like how dark it is. Yeah, this isn't anything. So. I'm scared.
Where's the dog?
Let's find him. Am I supposed to make the puppy a bottle of milk?
Oh, maybe.
Oh, the puppy's gone. Oh my god.
No, he's on his way.
He's on his. I'm gonna turn the lights so he can't see me, or turn off the lights so he can't see me. There we go. I'm fucking in. That's still bright. Fucking
That bright ass baby. The light is still on when you look.
I know. So I think that's what I'm supposed to do. Because I can't use the cameras now. Okay, let me. They're all supposed to be up. God.
He was in the right hallway.
He was in the right hallway.
Yeah.
He's fucking gone. I'm scared. Where's
Wait, look in the baby room. Wait, go to the parents' room.
Oh, there he is.
Ew.
What a little lovely angel. So I think that's the strategy. Is to turn
Yeah.
off the lights. Oh my god, he's moving. I don't know what to do about that freak though.
I know, what the fuck is that thing?
Yeah, I don't know where that came from. It might catch us again, if I'm being honest.
It won't. I'm sure of it. Like, go back to the parents' room.
Hi,
Oh,
puppy.
he moved.
Okay, I'm turning the lights off on him.
Go look at the hallway. Okay.
I hear him.
So
Oh,
fucking scared right
I'm
now.
scared. I'm scared. I'm turning the lights back off. I'm turning the lights back off.
Turn the lights off and look in the hallway.
Oh, you're so right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna turn the lights back on.
Okay. Can you try to click the baby?
Yeah, it's not doing anything.
Oh, fuck you, baby.
I know. No.
There he is.
Is that him?
Yeah, in the bed.
Oh. He just moved. I hear him. He's gone already.
What the
Oh, I
fuck?
did it. We made it.
Hey! This.
Shift complete. What are we supposed to do against
What
that
is that
person?
small ass window?
Oh, hello. We're back here again.
Oh, we're back.
Do I have a new message? Hi, just wanted to thank you for taking care of my baby on your first night. I really appreciate you leaving everything in order. I'll send you a quick voice message with a few instructions. Also, in case my baby wakes up, you'll need to warm the milk to 35°C. I don't have a Fahrenheit thermometer, it's the only one I've got. Okay, so if the baby starts crying, then
Okay.
you need to feed it milk. Uh,
Bro.
Go back to bed, puppy. The puppy has more pictures than the baby. Hi, puppy. He's behaving fairly well. Oh!
Shut the fuck up.
Oh! All I did was turn on the stove.
Look at the thermometer.
Oh!
Boom.
And then, do I just have that now? Oh my god, I
Maybe.
do.
Ew.
Feed this goddamn baby. Just kidding, check on the dog. Oh my god!
Where's the milk?
They gotta hide. Oh, okay, so now I just have that here with me.
Oh, nice.
Oh, the baby's starting to wake up. There you go. I just fed you! Oh my god, baby, you're gonna get us caught.
Bro.
Oh no. Oh my god.
Bro.
That scared me.
This hungry ass baby.
I know, fuck you, baby. Okay, let's. I guess I'll wait to use that until the baby is like. "Ah, wow."
Yeah.
Okay, let me go pre-make this baby's milk. Rockabye, baby.
New method.
Who is this?
The killer.
Get him out of here. How do I get him out of here? Last time he just attacked me.
Where did he go?
I'm so scared. I'm turning the light off. Oh. I have to calm him.
I have to shake him violently.
Give him shaky baby syndrome.
Oh my god.
I'm scared. He's in the kitchen.
Bro.
Rockabye, baby, in a teardrop. When the wind blows, your cradle will drop.
You can move him so far.
Rockabye, baby. He's breaking shit in there.
Bro, turn the lights back on.
I'm scared he's close. Oh my god, I have to shake this fucking baby. Get back here.
Okay, check the cams. Check the kitchen cam.
Oh my god, are you...
Bro.
Where's the dog? Oh!
It might be in the...
Hell no. Oh, we're gonna get fucking caught right now. I hear him.
No, not even.
Do you think it's safe to turn the lights back on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bro.
I thought the dark keeps you safe. Should I look at the Steam page to see how to deal with the
Yeah.
man? Okay, let's see.
I know, like, are there any cheat codes?
I know. Where's... Actually, I can't open up Steam right now because I am screen recording. I'm gonna look it up on my phone.
The puppy cheat codes.
The puppy horror game. How to stop the man.
How to stop the man.
There's literally no fucking guides for this.
Bro.
Where's the puppy? I gotta go on Steam. Hold on, I'm gonna go on my phone. Where did it go? I just had it. Point and click. Single player.
The puppy ultimate guide.
Did you find one?
Yes.
Okay, how do I take care of
As much as we all love the puppy. Night 1. Okay, night 2. This is where the real horror comes into play as the puppy turns into something sinister, to say the least. The puppy is much more active than the puppy.
the puppy?
What? So make sure to keep an active eye on him through the cameras and track him down when the camera flickers as he changes positions. It's worth to note that sometimes the lights in specific rooms turn on or off. There's no way to control the lighting in any of the other rooms other than the living room. Because of this, it can be challenging to spot the killer. In rooms where the lights are off, personally, if I can't find him in any room, then I assume the killer is on the stairs in the basement. But it's way too dark to see him. Okay. Night True introduces the baby gameplay mechanic. Um, the puppy does not like the baby crying.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, causing you. Yeah, okay. My personal experience, sometimes the baby doesn't cry at all during night too.
Keep an eye on the fuse
Okay.
box. Watch the security cameras. Keep something moves when you're not looking.
Hmm.
Okay, so do I have to stare at him from the cameras?
Maybe.
Oh! Keep an eye on the fuse box. If the power goes out, the cameras go dark, and something starts to move. Okay, so don't turn the lights off.
Uh, bitch.
Oh, I see. Okay, I thought the dark kept me safe. Okay, so that's why you have to constantly check the fuse box.
Okay, that makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, okay, I see. So you gotta keep the lights on, because if the lights on, he can't move. If the lights are off, he moves.
Yes.
I need to feed Bink real quick. Hold on.
Okay.
I need to feed my puppy.
I need to feed the puppy.
Hello, I fed my puppy. Oh my god, okay. Let's go prematurely make milk. Premature glass of milk.
Prematurely milking.
Prematurely milking. Oh, I forgot to turn the fucking stove off. The whole place is gonna go into flames. I'm sorry, everyone.
I wonder what happens if you don't turn it off.
I know, right? I think it'll explode.
New message.
No message.
Hold on. Gotta make sure all the lights are turned on. Yep, yep, yep.
Yep.
Hey Claire, I just landed. Everything went great. Hope everything's going okay there too. The daytime nana said the baby was a bit more fussy today, so just a little reminder. Warm up the milk to 35
Where's the
degrees,
puppy?
and he usually comes down with a little gentle rocking in the crib. How's
Oh
Franklin
God.
doing? I miss him already. Talk to you later.
Ew.
Make sure. Yep. Hey baby, how you doing? Dude, where is this guy at? Aw, he's turning the freaking lights off.
Bro.
Okay. I don't know how that helped, but yeah, 'cause the lights are back on. Oh, puppy's gone.
What the actual fuck?
How do you play this game? It scared me. I thought we were doing good. I think this game might be unplayable because I was reading through the reviews and almost nobody got past night 2. Should I refund
Yeah.
this game?
Low key. Puppy, fix your fucking game.
I know. Okay, let's. Okay, that was puppy, I guess.